Well, hello, cake family. Let's get started on how to apply an edible image to a cake. As always, we're going to add a dollop of frosting to our cake board, and then we're going to add our first layer of cake. Now, this is a very small cake because we just used it for a stay-at-home celebration to celebrate our son's 3rd birthday. So we added about a half a cup of buttercream to the first layer, smoothing it out, and then we're going to add our top layer. As you see, it's a small cake. That's it. And we're going to just smooth out the sides of the cake and then put cake on top and just cover the cake with buttercream. Smoothing it out as always, the sides as usual, and using our trusty bench scraper to just get the cake completely smooth, as this is our crumb coat layer. You know the bench scraper is my favorite tool. We're just going to keep scraping the sides till it's completely smooth, using our spatula to get rid of the excess buttercream, and then we're going to smooth out the top with our spatula. You can use your spatula or you can use your bench scraper. Again, smoothing out the sides. You know I'm a perfectionist, guys. And smooth out the sides, and we're going to put this in the fridge to chill for about 30 minutes. Now we're up to our second buttercream coat. We're going to add that to the top, add a little excess. It should be about a half a cup to like 3/4 cups of buttercream, and we're just going to keep smoothing it out until it goes down to the sides. Smoothing out the sides with our bench scraper. Keep going completely down, using our bench scraper completely at a right angle, and smoothing and smoothing and smoothing, using our spatula to get rid of any excess buttercream. And we're going to just smooth this out as this is our last layer. Now we're up to our edible images. For this cake, we decided to use a side wrap as well as a top. Now I'm taking my hand and using the side of the table to help to get it off of the backing. And we're just going to evenly place that onto the sides of the cake. Taking your time to just gently put it onto the cake. It should adhere using the buttercream. And as you see, there's a little bit of excess, and we have 3 pieces just so that it stays even. And you just use your scissors to go completely down, and then you're just going to use your hands to go around and making sure that it sticks to the buttercream. Now we're going to get ready to put a border around this so that it doesn't show the end of the wrap. You can do that, or you can keep it plain. It's totally up to you. As I said, this is just a small cake, and we're now up to the top image. So top image, we're going to do again as we did before, using our table to help to get it off the backing, and we're going to evenly place it on top, using our fingers to gently press it to make sure that we get any bubbles out, and then we're going to make a border as we did with the bottom of the cake. Now this is about a 21 Wilton tip that we use for the top, because it's a little bit smaller, and we added some sprinkles just to be festive. And there you go, guys. This is how we put an edible image onto a cake. Thank you again, and if you haven't, please subscribe to our page and follow us, as well as go to bakewithmel.com for all instructions on how to do this.